Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the Valorant error code VAL5. The game has lost connection. So while you are playing on the Valorant game and you encounter this error Valorant error code VAL5, the game has lost connection, just simply click on the quit button. Again, just simply click on the quit button and then proceed to the methods. In the Windows search bar, type Task Manager. Click on it under the best match. Now the Task Manager window will appear. So here in the list of processes, you need to look for the Riot Client or the Valorant or the Riot Vanguard. So let's scroll down. Now, once you find the Riot Client, Riot Vanguard, or the Valorant, what you're going to do is you just need to simply make a right click on it and then select End Task. Now, once done, close the task manager window and then launch the application, launch the Valorant game, and see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method, is we are going to check the VGC service. So in the Windows search bar, type Services. Click on it under the best match. Then the services window will appear. Scroll down to letter V and look for the VGC service. This one. Right click, select Properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. Service status, click on Start. Apply it, and then OK. And then simply close this. Then we are also going to run some commands in the command prompt. So what we're going to do is, in the Windows search bar right here, type cmd best match command prompt. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator so that you will be given administrative privileges in running the command. So simply follow me for the commands. Type here NATSH space winsock space reset. It's NATSH space winsock space reset and hit enter. And for the next command, we are going to flush the DNS. So type here ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. Now it will state successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So what you're going to do is you need to type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shutdown or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, launch the Valorant application and continue playing on the game this time. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.